Hello.
Hello, teacher.
Are you ready?
Yes, I do.
Yes, I am. Okay. Can you show teacher where is pig? Very good. Where is hen? Hen. Good. Where is sheep? Perfect. Where is rooster? Good. Where is horse? Very good. Where is cow? Good. And where is a duck? Yes. And last one, where is a goat? Good. Perfect. Now, can you tell teacher what animal is this? It's
A dog.
good. What does a dog say?
Hello.
Yes. Okay. What animal is this?
Big.
It's
Big.
good. What does a pig say? Wayne? Yes. What animal is this? It's
Duck.
good. What does a duck say? Right?
Crocodile.
Good. What animal is this?
Hen.
It's a.
Hen.
Cat.
And what does a cat say?
Meow, meow.
Good. What animal is this?
Hen.
It's
Horse.
yes. And what does a horse say? Nay. What animal is this? It's a
Sheep.
good. What does a sheep say? Meh. Meh. What animal is this? It's rooster.
Big rooster.
What does a rooster say? Cockle? Yes. What animal is this?
Cow.
Good. It's
A cow.
and what does a cow say?
Moo.
Very good. What animal is this? It's
It's a
goat.
goat.
Goat. Good. What does a goat say? Yes. What animal is this?
Hen.
It's
A hen.
good. What animal is this?
Mouse.
It's
A mouse.
good. And what animal is it?
It's a chick.
Good. And last one,
It's a wallaby.
high five. Very good. Thank you.